Shifting our focus to the economic calendar for next week, we analyze how upcoming news and events may influence the movements of currency pairs and cryptocurrencies.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Would you be interested in trading by using high profit signals? Please leave your comments and likes below this video, and feel free to reach out to us to commence your journey towards profitable trading.
Thank you for your kind attention. TRXUSD Forex Academy is dedicated to providing weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay informed with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and analysis.